Are you looking for the best rain gear for construction work? In this video, we will break down the top 3 rain gear for construction work on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Hello there. Here at Better and Best Products, we're a group of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze, and research new and trending products to create a list of top picks for every category based on features, quality, price, and user feedback. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best decision. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get more product review videos regularly.
At number 1. Frogg Toggs Men's Work Raincoat. A two-tone rainproof jacket by Frogg Toggs. This is one of the best rain gears for the construction work. This jacket is constructed from 100% imported polyester material which is soft. It is a waterproof jacket with a zipper and a hood. Made of breathable material fabric, this jacket is lightweight and durable. It has a parka cut for an easy movement. With adjustable hooks and 2 chest pockets, it offers you the convenience you want at your job site. Not only this, it has its own unique hybrid toad skins fabric with a non-woven inner layer which makes it comfortable to wear. Available in different sizes and colors, you can choose the one you want. At number 2. Helly Hansen. This jacket is among the most affordable of all your possible options. Its Impertech fabric allows the jacket to be waterproof and promises some durability. Because its fabric material can easily be stretched, you can move a lot when using this. However, it only has limited front pockets, so it can't store a lot of things. Its cuffs can also be adjusted through Velcro. Helly Hansen workwear is made out of polyester with its stretch polyurethane coating. This type of jacket is a bloodborne pathogen tester with seam construction made durable and secured by micro-weld. Its hood can be tucked in the jacket's collar as well. Famed Norwegian clothing company Helly Hansen are highly reputable when it comes to outdoor wet weather gear, specially designed to work on the oceans, and this deluxe rain jacket is no exception. Made with their fully waterproof Impertech fabric, it offers unbeatable protection while still providing a full range of movement with its flexibility. Hook and loop adjustable sleeve cuffs help to keep the elements out, while 2 waterproof pockets are ideal for storing valuables or sensitive items. A generous cut will look and feel good on just about anyone, and the attached hood tucks away into the collar when not in use. At number 3. Carhartt Men's Shoreline Jacket. The Carhartt's is made of long-lasting nylon with a coating agent, which makes this jacket waterproof. The interior is lined with mesh polyester, and the sleeves and hood feature a lining nylon. This jacket will keep you dry and warm without overheating on a sunny, rainy day. It's not surprising that the Carhartt's got such a high rating on Amazon, because it offers excellent features. This jacket is a little expensive, but according to reviewers, it's worth the price. It has 5 zippered pockets that close with Velcro. 1 on the front, 2 on the sides, and 2 others on the inside. The cuffs are elastic and feature Velcro adjustment to help hold the sleeves up, so they don't slide down your arms. This jacket runs large, which allows a lot of flexibility, and you can layer underneath in cold weather. The drawstring hood is detachable, and has a Velcro storm flap at the chin that protects your neck from wind and rain. The Carhartt's is a wind and waterproof jacket that works well in semi-cold weather, but like most rain jackets, it's not thick enough to keep you warm in cold conditions. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.